Hey guys, I've got a little mini album to show you today. This is what I've recently created with the Sugar and Spice Studio Carnival paper pack. It's a 12 by 12 paper pad. It's pretty old actually. It'd be a few years old. I picked it up about a year and a half ago. If you have a look at one of my haul videos, this paper pad is actually in that. It's marked at $10, but I think I got this for either $2.50 or $5, so I decided I'd use it and I made this little mini album. So I hope you guys enjoy this little flip through and sit back and relax while I take you through it. Okay, so this little mini album wasn't very hard to make. It was a tutorial from the Rosa Kelly scrapbooking YouTube channel, and I've just kind of modified it a little bit and used my own papers and patterns. So this one I'm actually going to give to my friend who recently took her son and his friend to the circus, so I thought it was perfect for that. So I just embellished it up a little bit on the weekend and I'll give that to her tomorrow. And I've just got a nameplate on the spine here and a basic back cover and a big red closure with this ribbon. I think looks really nice. There's a couple of photos in here, so I've just covered them up just for privacy reasons. Yeah, so on this front page I've embellished it with a few of the cutouts from the paper pad. And it's got a few flips in this album, but it's not heavily embellished, or it doesn't have a lot of flips. The pages are magnetized as well, just for a bit of stability. And each little page has one of those photo mats in the side that you can pull out. And I've popped a couple of embellishments up on foam tape to give it a little bit of dimension there. And I've also included some extra cutouts that I didn't use, so my friend can go in and embellish once she puts the photos on, kind of like what I've done here. So the papers are really bright and fun and cute, I thought, and I'm really glad that this mini album's going to go to a really good home. I originally wanted to sell it to see if I could make some money from it, but in the end I just decided to gift it to my friend because it's not 100% perfect. I mean, if you can see here, there are a little bit of buckling with the pages, so it hasn't been glued down 100% flat, and it's not really up to the standard that I would want to make it to sell it. And this little page here is really fun. It's just some elephant and horse or donkey cutout on the front and flips open wide like that. So really cute, quick little mini album. Didn't take me long at all. Probably took me about half a day and then another half a day to embellish it. Really happy with the outcome of that, and very happy that I'm able to gift this to a friend. The leftovers that I had are all in this bag. So not a great deal of leftovers. I've used some to embellish it, and all of the craft card that you can see here, I have had a lot of leftover of that, which I've just kept in my spare stash, which I can use for other projects and tags and stuff like that. But overall, not much scrap, and I've still got a heap of pages left in this pad where I can easily do another couple of albums if I want to. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little video, and take care. Bye.